Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, we're going to guide you through how to video call on Telegram. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To get started, tap open the Telegram application from your app drawer. Make sure to sign into your account, and once you're in, select the contact you want to call. Once you reach the conversation screen, tap on the three dots menu found in the upper right corner. Now, from the expanded menu, choose the call option and give it a tab. This will start an audio call. Now, allow Telegram to record audio by tapping on Allow. Once the person picks up your call, you'll be able to make a voice call on Telegram. In order to make a video call on Telegram, select the contact you want to make a video call with, and tap on the three dots at the upper right corner. Now, tap on the video call button from the expanded menu. Once the person picks up your call, you'll be able to make a video call. To flip your camera, tap on the flip icon at the upper left corner. To stop the video, you can simply tap on Stop Video, and you can also mute your call by tapping on the mute button. After you're done with the video call, tap on the End Call button, which is located at the bottom right corner, and you'll be able to end your video call. That was how you can easily make a video call on Telegram. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.